In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze an image using Claude AI. Okay, so assuming I'm on my Claude, I have logged in and I want to analyze an image. So all I need is to come to this plus sign and add a file or photos. I can just directly move to where I have the image. Assuming I have this image on how to open Toastmasters in Zaria, I can just quickly directly ask it, can you be detailed? Okay, so I can just go ahead and hit on enter and it's going to read through the image and give me its own perspective on what it thinks the image is and what it is intended to. You see, this is a promotional event poster for a Toastmasters Club launch event in Zaria, Nigeria. Here's a detailed breakdown. What is it? It's a professional design flyer poster created to advertise an upcoming event aimed at establishing a new Toastmasters International Club, a city in Kaduna State, northern Nigeria. Okay, the key information on the poster are this, and then the visual design, color palettes and scheme, the central image, the QR code, what is meant for, and the notable issue in here. This is very detailed. So the next time you have an image and you need to understand what is it, you can import it into Cloud AI and it's going to give you an extensive explanation of what that image is all about. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.